Welcome back, man, to another video, another update on the 77. We got the wheels on the car, and we got some issues with the wheels on the car. Also, the fillers are in and the LEDs are on. So we're gonna give y'all another update, a little 360 on the car right now. Also, we got the steering wheel in, so let's check it out, man. Yeah, so I got the wheels installed on the car. I mean, and it looks, it's all the way there. Like I said, new brakes, new suspension, new wheels and tires. Got another video for y'all about the wheels and tire situation. I installed the fillers, and as you can see, I cracked it, but you know, it is what it is. Staggered in the front. Said new brakes, new tires, new everything. Might see if I can give y'all a quick little shot. Like I said, new control arm bushings, everything underneath, just to make sure everything is right before we take off with this thing. Put the LEDs in. I got these bezels off eBay. You can't find new bezels for this car, but yeah, man, she coming together real nice, real nice. So I got another video I'm gonna post y'all about these wheels that's installed on the car. Cause yeah, as y'all know, I bought these Ruccis, and if you know Rucci isn't cheap. Rucci ain't no Forgi or no Armani or Corleones or nothing like that, but it's definitely ain't cheap. So had them installed, and ever since I've had them installed, this tire right here, the wheels have been on the car for 2 days. The wheels went flat twice in 2 days. So had a conversation with the place we have put on at, and yeah, needless to say, I'm certain it tore the bead on this tire right here. So we'll have to get it replaced. But I'm actually gonna go with a bigger tire on the back here. Right now it's just got 25s on it. Another thing which I'm gonna do, we need to put 30s on the back, so I got two 30s coming from the back that we're gonna put on to match the front, because I got a lot more tire up front than I do in the back, so we gotta get that fixed. Got the Rucci steering wheel installed. The 26th of this month we go to have the music installed. Dash has got to come out to get it repaired. Light covers need to be replaced from my kids breaking them, but yeah, car's coming along just fine. Heavy door. I think I'm gonna get this door pinned. The passenger door is actually straight, but this one has a little sag, so it'll get pinned. But yeah, man, that's a quick update video on the 77, man. Tell me what y'all think. 1977 Coupe de Ville. Staggered 24-inch Rucci Douces. If I'm not mistaken, probably the only one in my state with 77 on Rucci staggered Douce 24s with the floating caps, floating cap, steering wheel. Yeah, man, thank y'all for tuning in to the update on the car. Next, we're gonna try to get a couple little engine things worked out. The car runs and drives, but we're gonna fix a few things, paint a few things, update some little stuff in there. Yeah, just keep staying tuned for more videos on the car. Check in with y'all with this another video. Also, I should have another video coming out soon with this car. We're gonna take it and get it clay barred and buffed and see if we can get some of the dull spots out, because the car was painted previously. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Once again, man, thank y'all for like, comment, subscribing on all the videos. For another Embry family video. Peace.